Can't get enough design? Feel free to snoop around my website and check out our portfolio of completed design projects. Our e-design and 3D renders are also a huge hit. I specialize in curated spaces to help you live authentically you. If you have a burning design question that you could use some help with, I'm here for you. Our free discovery call is an opportunity for us to get to know each other and the perfect introduction to providing solutions. Give us a call. I look forward to speaking with you.